You're a small business owner. You have a unique set of skills and provide a valuable service or product in your community. You're good at what you do. But managing the day-to-day task of getting and keeping customers can be a real challenge in today's fast-paced, ever-changing environment. The good news is, we can help. We're Postnet, your neighborhood business center. We can help you get online, get found online, go mobile, stand out, and most important, get more customers, allowing you to focus on what you do best. Here's what Postnet can do for you. Creative design and branding, business stationery, marketing materials, signs, banners, and vehicle graphics, custom forms and labels, direct mail campaigns, custom websites, mobile websites, search engine optimization, email marketing, mobile marketing, custom apparel, advertising specialties, custom packaging, domestic and international shipping. Best of all, we are small business owners just like you. We understand the challenges small business owners face and offer real solutions to help you grow and support your business. So the next time you want to promote your business, communicate with your customers, or make that presentation or project the best it can be, think Postnet. We're your friendly local resource, here to help you succeed. Postnet, your neighborhood business center. www.postnet.com. Interested in owning a Postnet franchise? www.postnetfranchise.com.